this is my trip 4th day and we are here in Changu Lake. हम लोग बहुत जल्दी वहाँ पहुँचने वाला हैं. This is the awesome view behind me. और आप देख सकते हैं this beautiful Sikkim. This is something not to be captured in the camera but to be memorized in the heart. So we're moving on to Changu Lake. See you soon there. Currently I am in Changu Lake. You can see the lake behind me over there. And this is the beautiful Sikkim with the snow-clad mountains. Or currently we are going to Baba Ka Mandir after this. And you can see the different monsoon and the different season. And the difference in the sun rays here and there over. All around you can see the shadow over there, sunlight over there and snow over here. So right now I had climbed up all the way from there and I am being sort of, that's our car over there. Okay.
Which one?
That one, that black one you can see, that's our car. I'm throwing a snowball at it. Actually I fell twice while climbing up, but then it's really fun. And the best part of being in Northeast is this snow. Beyond Tropic of Cancer, I mean the east and the south zone, they never experience snow. Darjeeling also doesn't have snow right now. We have been to Darjeeling too. But this Sikkim and its lovely snow. This area comes under BRO, Border Roads Organization, and this is actually China border. We are not getting any kind of network here, and that's the best thing about it. You're not going to get any official or personal calls. All you need to do is play with lots of snow. So I'm gonna enjoy with some more snow. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next part. And then we started our drive to Baba Ka Mandir. It was not actually a kind of those normal mandirs or the temples you visit, but it had got something really special that was dedicated to one of the soldiers who was dead, who sacrificed his life while in some battle, and then well, I'm not gonna say the whole of the story here. For the time being, you can enjoy the road. We were nearby the Nakthula Pass, which is actually the India-China border. They will allow you to go into a ride in those border areas. They will allow a vehicle. It would cost you 4,000 extra because your vehicle will not go there. There are only some vehicles with those large wheels like Bolero and all those kind of SUVs, though they are allowed to go in there. Or those BRO, they will provide you special vehicles, but anyways you will have to pay 4,000 extra. So we decided not to waste our time going in there. So guys, we shall soon be reaching Baba Ka Mandir. This point you can see it's some dwar. Well, this is very close. They were taking some permission paper, and this is Baba Ka Mandir. So This mandir was actually dedicated to the soldier, and since he came in dreams of some of his colleague or his regiment men, and then he told that the office and all his uniform and all the things should be preserved as it is in the spot where he had told them in his dreams there, and then the mandir was constructed. You can see whole of the story over here, and it is believed that the mandir has got some sacred shrine, like if you well, it's believed that if you have some ailment or the disease which is not being cured easily, then you can put a bottle of water in that special room of the Baba Ka Mandir. Then it gets blessed in 24 hours, and you have to drink that water for 21 days without eating any non-veg food. And it is surprisingly believed that the ailment gets cured. Well, this was our way back to our hotel, to Gangtok, and you can see this was the lovely cloud cover. We were so amazed that we were actually getting inside the clouds. You can see the lovely view, the cloud cover was increasing, and this was one of the lake which was closed by then, but then it was a tourist place which was used for boating purposes, but due to COVID-19 they had just closed it down. Now you can see the lovely clouds, they were engulfing those mountains, and it was such a beautiful view. I never wanted to come back to Odisha from Sikkim. So while we were coming to the way back, we stopped at the Changu Lake for some photos and some moments. But yeah, you can enjoy the yak ride over there. It would cost you around 400 rupees. But if you negotiate, then of course they will take you let you have a bigger round with those 500 rupees only. Yeah, but then I decided not to climb on an animal. Well, then you can see the lovely view. It was so chilly that, but then yes, I didn't get a cold, of course. But then it was really, really chilly. The temperature was around 0 or -1 degree Celsius, I must say. This was the real thrill I felt while climbing down back to Gangtok. Well, guys, you can enjoy this video, and then I have attached some of the photographs at the end for you to enjoy. I mean, the beautiful snaps that I had taken. And please subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to like, share and comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Stay tuned for the next episode.